Hey, this is Dylan with Spots POS. Today we're going to be going over the different integrations we have available from our platform and what benefits you can gain from using them. To get started, we'll go over to our integration section in Settings. We'll find our way to our Integrations tab, and here we have the different integrations to choose from that we can get added into the system. To start off, we have our own payment processing with SpotsPay. Using SpotsPay, you can very easily enroll, get payment processing terminals, and even send invoices to your customers for digital charging. We can go straight over here to the enroll process, and we can get started with enrolling our account today to get our account set up for merchant processing. Once your merchant form is completely accepted and you go through our approval form, you'll be able to process payments straight from Spots POS and have all the tools you need to see the different taxes, any of the kind of charges that you have going through your account, and as well as any reporting that you would want to check from our merchant portal as well. As well as our SpotsPay integration, we have our text messaging services. Our text messaging services can be purchased from within the iOS app, where you'll be able to add different credits to your account, either in amounts of 200 or 1,000 to choose from, where every message you sent out will consume a SMS credit. SMSs are sent out as notifications, where in place you would have an email notification, so to say if you were to update your repair status, or create a transaction with a customer, or send an invoice to your customer. All of these actions would then send a text message to that customer letting them know of that change or of the transaction that you made with them. Using our SMS integration is also a great way to get more eyes on your business by getting Google reviews through our rating URL. So make sure that you're using the ratings URL in order to have your customers sent to the ratings page of your liking. For our next integration, we are also now integrated with ACCO for adding coverages to the different devices you sell and the repairs that you close out of your shop. Once you become an ACCO merchant, you can go ahead and add your merchant ID here and enable the integration so that you can add any ACCO coverage at the moment of checkout. So if we go over to checkout really quick, and let's say we sell a device here. Now, once we complete that sale, we'll have this option here to add ACCO coverage. And here we have the different ACCO coverages available. So we'll simply add the customer's information. And once we're finished, we can proceed to charging the customer the ACCO coverage. I recommend checking out ACCO's website to get more information on what benefits you have by becoming an ACCO merchant. You can also add coverages manually from the home screen once ACCO is integrated. Now, back to our integrations. We also support adding customers to your MailChimp campaign. So if you already have a MailChimp account, you can simply add the list ID that you would want to add your new customers, and you can add your MailChimp API key. Once doing that, whenever you create a customer, you're going to be automatically adding them to that list ID for your campaigns that you have running. I recommend going through MailChimp's website to learn more about how their services work and how you can get started with running different MailChimp marketing campaigns. We are also integrated with Stax. Stax is a great tech company that's developed mostly around helping repair shops like your own getting set up and running within a website as well, and making sure that you have the digital presence necessary in our technological age to make sure that you're keeping up with the new industry standards. You can also use Stax to integrate our platform into your website in a much more comfortable way so that your customers can be filling out repairs from their end on your website. This is a great way to get a little more movement through your shop from your online website, and also a great way to keep minimal development on your side and being able to help hire other specialists to help get set up within the digital realm. And lastly, we are also integrated with Square for payment processing. If you would like to continue using Square for your payment processing, you can simply set up the Square integration within the app, And once set up, you'll be able to transfer over to the Square app to complete any of the transactions that you're actively processing within Spots POS. I hope that this helps you understand the integrations that we have available from our platform, and take care enjoying the rest of our features.